Next, introduction to trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and acute angles of a right angled triangle. See, there are 6 trigonometrical ratios. They are 6 trigonometrical ratios are cosine, sine, tangent, cotangent, cosine, secant, and cotangent. So these are the 6 ratios. Now we will establish the relation between the side and the acute angle. Now relation between acute angles and sides of a right angle triangle. So for that, first of all, I will draw a right angle triangle. See, right angle triangle I have drawn A, B, C, and angle B is 90 degree. I have taken, suppose, this angle, this is equal to theta I have taken. Now this sine theta, first I am taking this sine. This one we used to write like this, sine theta. This is equal to, sorry, one more relation. The main one sentence for the trigonometry is, some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. Some people have curly brown hair turned permanently black. This sentence you have to by heart. This is very important. You by heart this sentence. Now I will come to establish the relationship with the help of this sentence. I am taking sine and this theta, sine theta is equal to relation, and this sentence says, some people have, some, this first some from your first alphabet S stand for sine. People have P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now which angle we are talking about? We are talking about this angle. So the side opposite to this angle is perpendicular. Hence here perpendicular is how much? AB by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is side opposite to 90 degree, that is AC. So we have seen some people have, up to here you have completed. S, sine, people have. This you got the relation. Next, C, curly, C, cos. This cosine theta, we used to write cos theta is equal to curly brown hair, C, cos, brown hair, B by H. So here, which one is B in this triangle? This is the angle theta, side opposite to this is perpendicular, definitely base is BC. This is equal to BC. by hypotenuse is AC. Next comes what? Next, tangent. This tangent in short we used to write tan theta. This is equal to this curly brown hair we have turned. Now turn tan theta permanently black, P by B, perpendicular by base. This is equal to tan theta. Theta is here, so its opposite side is perpendicular. So AB by base. If it is perpendicular, definitely base is BC. So these are the three relations I obtained from this sentence. Now this sign is reciprocal of cosec. So cosec is equal to cosec theta is equal to opposite of this one, reciprocal of this one, that is H by P. This is equal to AC by AB. Directly I have taken from this sign reciprocal. Cos its reciprocal is sec theta is equal to, sec theta means what? Secant. This secant is called sec theta. This is equal to, what is this? Its reciprocal H by B. This is equal to AC by BC. Tan is equal to cotangent. This cotangent we used to write in short cot theta is equal to, this is reciprocal means B by P is equal to BC by AB. From the above relation, what you get is, from the above relation, what we are getting is, we get sin is equal to, sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, and cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Next, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So they are reciprocal to each other. Thus you are getting how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 formulas here. 6 formulas you are getting from here. These are the 6 formulas derived. Another one from this above, again from the above relation, we have what you are having. See, this one, cross multiply it, what you are getting? Sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Here cos theta, sorry, this is cosec, okay, this is cosec. Then cos theta, same way, cos theta into sec theta, cos theta into sec theta is equal to how much? 1. And tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Thus you are getting these three relation again. These three are also formula. You have to by heart it. Let me drink water. Okay. Next, I want to take one example. Example 1. In triangle ABC, so I'll draw that figure. Wait. This is the triangle ABC. See. Now see, What is the question? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. This is done. Then now given AB is equal to given how much? 24 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Find sin A and cos C. You are given this. Now solution. Here what they have given is AB is equal to how much given? 24. BC is equal to given 7. Hypotenuse is not given. We have to find out the hypotenuse because this value of h is to be known. We have already seen that is many are related with h. So all the three sides is to be find out at first. Now by Pythagoras theorem on triangle ABC, we have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is given AC square is equal to AB square is 24 square plus BC is equal to 7 square. 576 plus 49, 625. Therefore AC is equal to how much you are getting? AC is equal to you are getting 25. Okay, you got AC is equal to 25. Now sin A. Sin A means this is the angle. So side opposite to this angle will be perpendicular. Sin means what? Sin some people have. So what is the perpendicular? Angle A is mentioned. So perpendicular is the side opposite to this angle A is what? BC. By hypotenuse is what? AC. This is equal to how much? BC is equal to how much? 7 by AC is equal to how much? AC how much you got? 25. This is 25. Thus you got sin A is equal to 7 by 25. Next what they are asking you to find out is cos C. Curly brown hair. So cos C means this angle is mentioned. When cos C is said, this C angle is mentioned. So side opposite to this is perpendicular. AB is perpendicular. I need base, so definitely base is BC. By hypotenuse is AC because this is always same. Side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So BC is equal to how much? 7. AC is equal to how much? 25. So the same answer we are getting. Alright. Next we will see example 2. Example 2. Example 2. If 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. It's very easy. This implies solution. Given to us is 15 cot A is equal to 8. This implies cot A is equal to 8 by 15. This is cot. So some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black. See, turn permanently black. So tan theta is equal to P by B. Then cot theta is equal to B by P. B by B, I am drawing one triangle here. Wait, at first, then it will be clear to you. This is A, B, C. This is right angle here. Now, they are talking about chord A. So, this angle, hence this side opposite to this is perpendicular. This is BC. And base is, if this is perpendicular, definitely base is AB. So cot theta is equal to this much. Now I have to find out the hypotenuse. Before this, one more step I will take. AB by BC is equal to 8 by 15. This step I am keeping here. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, on this triangle ABC, I have AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equal to AB is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. This is equal to 64 plus 225 is equal to how much? It is 289. Therefore, AC is equal to 17. You got AC is equal to 17. Now, sin A. We are asked to find out the value. Now, sin A is equal to, some people have, so this is the triangle A, side opposite to this is perpendicular, so BC, hypotenuse is always AC, this is equal to, BC is equal to how much you got? BC is equal to 15 and AC is equal to how much? 17. This is your solution. Again, next they are saying sec A. Sec A. Sec is reciprocal of what? Cos. Cos is equal to how much? Cos. Some people have curly brown hair. Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Cos is equal to base by hypotenuse. Then what is its reciprocal? Sec. Sec is equal to H by B. This is equal to H means hypotenuse AC. Base is equal to how much? Angle A opposite to angle A is BC. BC is perpendicular. Then what is base? AB is base. This is equal to how much you are getting? AC is equal to how much? 17 by AB is equal to how much? AB below where? AB is equal to 8. So this is how you are getting this.